Hi everyone, Carly with Muzique here again. Today we're going to work with tambourines. So, if you have tambourine, doesn't matter what kind, it could be a little wooden one, could be a plastic one, could be a real big tambourine, pull it out. If you don't have a tambourine, easy to make some kind of tambourine-like instrument. All we've used for this one is, we have a Rubbermaid container with some mac and cheese inside it. There's some mac and cheese in there and some paper towels. Paper towels just kind of dampen the sound so it doesn't sound so rattly. So there's your elbow noodles, mac and cheese, some paper towels, and make sure that lid's on there real tight. And you can have a tambourine-like instrument to use with your kids. It's not so loud, but it's not kind of washy like rice would make it, but it's a nice solid sound. Another way you can make a tambourine if you're looking for a fun activity to do with your kids this week is 2 paper plates, staple them together, leave a little hole on one side not stapled, and put in some beans or some mac and cheese noodles. And again, you can put in some paper towels or napkins in order to dampen that sound a little bit so it's not so rattly like a shaker, but it's still kind of jingly and making those noises that we want the instrument to make. Even more of a fun activity, if you put those plates face down first so the back side of them are up, let your kids decorate their paper plates. They can go crazy, they can decorate however they want. And then, once they're done decorating them, they've made them their own, take them, staple them together, just as I said, leave a little hole, pour in beans and mac and cheese, whatever you want, well not mac and cheese, but pasta, whatever you want inside there, and then staple it together, and now they each have their own tambourine that they can put somewhere in their room, hang up on the fridge, however you want to do it, something that they have to use that they made themselves. It's an awesome activity and it's something all the kids that I've worked with love. So, one of my favorite tambourine songs goes like this. Shake, shake, shake your tambourine, shake, shake, shake your tambourine, shake, shake, shake your tambourine and put it on your head. You can see where I'm going with this one. Head, you could do your shoulders, you could do your elbows, put it on your arm, put it on your knee, put it on your toes, put it on your leg, put it on your nose, put it on your ear. There's so many different things that you could do with the tambourine. But that's one of my favorite songs. And again, easy to do. The kids can shake it however they want. But when we say put it on your head, they stop and they have to put it on their head. And they have to hold it there until you start singing again. Shake, shake, shake your tambourine. It's an awesome option. And again, put it on your head. Same thing. Awesome adaptation to an instrument. Another really fun tambourine activity that I like to do that gets everyone's attention, that you could do with as many kids as possible or family members, is just a simple shake and stop. And everybody has to stop together and then do it again. Shake and stop. Now, once everyone kind of gets a hold of how this works, you can let one of the kids be the caller. They get to say shake and stop. And they get to handle the situation. They could pass it off to another kid. Shake and stop. Awesome activity to do with as many kids as you want. It's really fun. It gets them engaged, listening ears on because they have to wait for that stop impulse control because they have to stop when it says to stop. So that's another really fun one. And the last one, I've done this with an ocean drum. I've also done it with a tambourine. One of our interns that we had, one of our practicum students, introduced this song to me. It's My Fair Lady, but with a little twist to it. So we go, tambourine, round and round, round and round, round and round, tambourine, round and round, my fair lady. Tambourine, up and down, up and down, up and down, tambourine, up and down, my fair lady. You could do tambourine, tap, tap, tap. You could do tambourine, shake, shake, shake. all kinds of different tambourine, tap, tap, tap. Anything that you want to do with the tambourine to make a noise, to make a motion. Tambourine, side to side, side to side, side to side. It's a good way to work on crossing the midline with one arm. You can switch hands and do it the other way. Same thing, up and down, switch hands, up and down. A lot of cool physical activities to do with that song. But just simple following direction, listening ears. I know a lot of kids are working from home, doing a lot of schoolwork from home. These are all goals that their teachers have, having them listen in school, having them pay attention to whoever's in charge. I'm sure these are things you work on at home too, or at least try to. So that's an awesome song to do too. So if you have any songs that I didn't mention today, I'm sure you do, share them in the comments down below. Post your videos of your family making music and tag us, Instagram or Facebook. Let us know what you guys are doing to keep this music going at a time where everyone could use some more music. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.